In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can trade cryptocurrency futures using Budget platform. So we are going to go to the chart. I'm going to show you guys how you can calculate your risk to reward, how you can know how much you're going to risk and how much you're going to make based on where you're placing your stop loss, how you can actually, calculate your risk and then using the Budget platform, okay? So trading futures, okay? So if you are new to the channel, my name is Henry the Great. I trade cryptocurrency and I trade forex using Harmonic pattern and smart money concept. So you are highly welcome to my channel. So now we're going to go to the chart right away. I'm going to show you guys how you can use Budget platform to trade futures cryptocurrency pair, okay? So, and how to calculate your risk to reward based on where you're placing your stop loss and how much you want to risk. Probably you want to risk $500 in a trade, want to risk $100 in a trade, want to risk $1,000 in a trade, and you don't know how to go about it to calculate your risk and how to, to calculate your risk first of all. So this video is going to show you guys how to do that as quickly as possible. So we're going to go to TradingView platform right now. So I'm looking at this coin. We already have our setup here. So we're looking for a potential buy opportunity on this pair. So based on the strategy you are trading and you are looking to see you are looking for an opportunity to buy or sell based on what you want to trade. So all you have to do is to use the for instance, you're looking to buy here based on your strategy. So all you have to do is use the long position tool. You put it where you want to trade, and then your take profit level where you want to take profit. Your take profit could be probably here if you want to take profit here, and then your stop loss could be around here. Anywhere you want to place it based on the strategy you are trading. This video is not about strategy, it's about how to calculate your risk to reward. Okay, so for instance, let's assume that you are trading this strategy and then your stop loss, of course, your take profit level is around this place, and then your stop loss, anywhere you want to place your stop loss. That is one beauty thing about trading cryptocurrency futures. It doesn't really matter how far your stop loss is from your entry. Okay, even if your stop loss is around this place, if you want to risk $10 on this trade, you are going to risk $10 on the trade. That is one beauty thing about cryptocurrency futures. Unlike forex, that if I put my stop loss level here, the least I can go is 0.01 loss size. And I might be risking if let's say for instance I want to risk $20 on this trade and I'm putting my stop loss here. For instance, I go to my position size calculator. The minimum I can go on loss size is 0.01, and that 0.01 based on this length could be $30, but I want to risk $20. But because of the minimum I can go on a contract, forex contract is 0.01 loss size, so I cannot effectively risk that $20 on this trade. But if it is cryptocurrency futures, provided that I've already calculated the quantity I want to risk, the quantity I'm going to put, and then I've calculated my risk to reward. If I'm risking $20 on this trade, it's going to be $20 on the trade. So that's the difference between cryptocurrency futures and forex trading. So now let's assume that this is where I want to put my stop loss. So all we have to do is to zoom in and check that very well. Okay, so zoom in on that very well. So this is where you entered, or you want to enter here based on the price movement, and then your stop loss, you want to place your stop loss around here or probably around here based on where you want to place your stop loss. So now we've gotten that out of the way. So all we have to do now is to determine how much we want to risk on this trade. So let's assume that we want to risk like $100 on this trade. All we have to do is to double click on the long position tool. Make sure that this risk, make sure that it is on USDT. Okay, make sure that it is on USDT. Then you put your account balance here. Your account balance, you can put it $1,000, you can put it $10,000 depending. Okay, now let's put how much we want to risk on this trade. Let's say $100. I want to risk $100 on this trade. Okay, so now it will give you the quantity you have to buy near USDT. The quantity I'm seeing here is I'm seeing 289.014. So I'm going to put 289. Okay. So the quantity I'm seeing here is what 289. So I'm going to go straight here. Then you come to your BJet platform. Okay. So you come to your BJet platform and you come here, then you select the pair, you enter the name of the pair, and just come here, you copy the name here on trading view. Come over here, then you paste the name here. You can put it on favorite. Just click on this icon to change it to favorites, and then you click here. So all we have to do now is to come over here, and then we now put the quantity we've gotten. Or if you want to be super sure, you can click on the calculator. Our margin, our leverage is 10. Your leverage is 10. If you want to be super sure, the quantity we have here is 289. I think that's the quantity we have is 289. Yeah. So we'll copy the entry price. Copy the entry price. And then the take profit price. Copy the take profit price. Stop loss price. Copy the stop loss price. Then we'll click on calculate. Perfect. So if you want to be super sure, you can use the calculator to do that. Okay. So we're using 10 leverage and we're going long. And this is so for us to risk $100 on this trade, we have to put the quantity as what 289. Okay. For instance, you want to risk $10 on this trade. Okay. $10 on the trade. You want to risk $10 on the trade. Click OK. You can see that the quantity we have here is 28. Okay. So come here. Put 28. And then you put the profit price. You are using the calculator to be super sure of what you are doing. Stop loss price. Your entry price. Beautiful. Beautiful. So no matter how price moves into this place, you are risking what? $10. Let's, for instance, you want to extend your stop loss level. You want to, give room for price to move. You want to extend your stop loss level to this place, okay? And then your target and everything, and your risk to reward is 1:5, which is super great. Super great, okay? So now you see that the quantity has dropped to 14. So now the quantity is now what? 14. So I'll put 14 here. Okay, I'll put 14 here. Then you can see that the stop loss level has also adjusted. So I'm going to adjust the stop loss. I'm going to adjust the stop loss. So calculate again. Beautiful. 9.7, which is approximately $10. Okay, so this is how to calculate your risk to reward using the position size calculator and how to take trade on BJet. So all you have to do now is to come over here. You will now put your quantity as what? 10, as 14, and then you put you select market price. You put the quantity here, 14, based on how much you've calculated, how much you want to risk. Then you come down here, you select take profit level, you put your take profit price, stop loss price, and you click on open long. If you want to sell, you click on open short. As simple as that. So this will bring us to the end of this video on how to calculate your position size, how to calculate your risk to reward using trading view, and also how to take trade using the BJet platform. So if you have any question on this, please drop a comment below this video. And if you want to open an account with BJet, the link is below this video to open an account. You can as well join my mentorship to learn how I trade using my strategy. You can join the free Telegram group where we post it up every week, once in a week or twice in a week, to learn how we trade. Okay, so this will be all for now, guys. I love you guys and I wish you guys all the best, and then bye for now.